Welcome to the lab section. You've gotten past all of the theoretical knowledge, and now in this section, you're going to apply that knowledge and practice many different hands-on techniques. You're going to start off with using Cloud9, which we've used several times throughout this course. You're also going to be using AWS storage and be going through some examples of how you can use that in the real world. Also, Amazon EC2. We've talked about several powerful things you can do with EC2, including spot instances, and you're going to go through and do that yourself. Finally, we're going to get into the virtual private cloud. Again, this is that firewalled off system where you can control it and add your own layer of security. And then finally, in the last two sections, we'll go into AWS databases and also AWS containers. So what's really important about this is that it really is going to give you the experience of taking all the things we've gone through and practicing them with your own two hands. A lot of times, just knowing about something isn't going to be enough. And even if you pass the exam, what you really want to do is be able to take that knowledge and apply it in the place that you work, and then continue to grow, continue to push yourself, continue to use all those techniques and build upon them. Really, that's the secret of being a very successful technology professional, is never resting on the thing you've learned, but continuing to grow. And a lot of that is by hands-on practice. So go ahead, let's get started and let's put this in action.